So I got these new cutting boards and they're nicer than I expected. Like, they're just made of a really high quality, good wood, and they're reasonably thick. You can see that pressed together there. It's got a handle on the side so you can easily pick it up or move it around while you're using it. There's actually a handle on both sides, so pretty cool, very nice. You got a small one, a medium-sized one, and they also have that lip around it to catch juices and things so you don't get a mess all over your counter. And a larger one. Also came with this thing here to actually store them if you want to. So these will fit very easily in these grooves. And you can store it like that. Pretty cool. Also came with these little round 3M tapes that you can peel off and put on the bottom of each one, so you have grippy feet on them as well, so they won't move around on the counter so easily. And yeah, they're just several good pieces here. I was surprised. So I'm going to measure them real quick just to show you how big they are. The largest one is right at 13 3/4 inches wide and 11 inches tall. The medium-sized one looks like 12.5 inches wide and 9.5 inches tall. And then the smallest one is just under 10 inches wide and about almost 7 inches tall, but 6 3/4 or so inches tall. So yeah, 3 good cutting boards. Got a holder for them. Got some grippy feet for them. Just look really nice. I like them.